been happening in Palestine is since the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki that during the Second World War. Since then, the most cruel, the most heinous act of inhuman warmongering has been happening in Palestine since October 2023. Some 65 to 70,000 people have been killed. It is not anymore a war between some Hamas, these militants, and the Israel state. It has become a genocide by the Israel state, backed by America, backed by NATO, on the people of Palestine. The Israel government, their military, has been bombing hospitals. They have targeted hospitals. They are targeting schools. They are specifically killing children and aged people and women. So it is a massacre of humanity that has been going around Palestine. Our country, our government has always been a friend of the Palestinian movement. Even not only other governments, even the BJP government by Vajpayee was a friend of Palestine. This is the first time in history of independent India. It is a shame that the Indian government has taken a departure of its principal standpoint of being by the side of Palestine in their movement for their rights. The Modi government for the first time is now siding with Israel. It is having tacit friendship, hidden friendship with Israel. And this RSS BJP people, they are IT cell, they are ABVP, they are openly supporting the genocide that Israel is bringing down upon the people of Palestine. It is a butchering of humanity that is taking place there, and at the same time, India should have condemned this. Not doing that, instead of that, the India government is inviting the Israel finance minister, and Israel and India are right now signing treaties. What friendship treaty? It is a killing of humanity. These people, this finance minister, this right-wing person, Bezalel Smotrich, they have blood in their hands, the blood of thousands of children, the blood of thousands of innocent civilians. We as human beings cannot turn a blind eye to them. It is the duty of every human being on this planet to stand by Palestine, to condemn the genocide and to isolate Israel. We as Indians, we as responsible Indians, we as human beings who has a heart, who has a brain, who has our consciousness, we as human beings want to tell our Modi government that you stop siding with the genociders. Indian government must condemn Israel, and it must stand with Palestine. It must send aid to Palestine. It must stand in support by the people of Palestine. The people of Palestine are starving. The ships, they are going with food grains and help. Israel is bombing those ships. Israel is not letting them enter. Now the whole world is standing beside Palestine, and India should join the movement. So I will just conclude by saying Israel should be isolated. Indian government should see that the genocide stops in Palestine, and the Palestine people, they have their right to life. They have the right to be free. They should have the right to life like every one of us. Down, down Israel!
Down, down Israel!
Down, down Israel!
Down, down Israel!
Down, down genocides!
Down, down genocide!
Stand with Palestine!
Stand with Palestine!
Stand with Palestine!
Stand with Palestine!
Israel Finance Minister, go back!
Go back! Go
Israel
back!
Finance Minister, go back!
Go back! Go
Israel
back!
Finance Minister, go go back.
Go back, go
With
back.
this, I conclude my talk.
Okay, friends.